Hey there, geeks. Tim with MajorGeeks.com. Today we're going to show you how to change user account types in Windows 10, 8, or 7. In other words, you can change a user from a standard user to an administrator, or vice versa, assuming you're logged in as an administrator. So let's take a look at the ways to do it. We'll start with Windows 10 because actually, in my opinion, it's the most friendly way. Click Start. Click Settings. And find your accounts right here. Click on Family and Other Users, and here they are. So let's say, for example, let's take Major Geeks 2 as administrator. Let's change the account type, so you can click on either account you have. Obviously, if you don't have an account, you'd have to add someone. Let's change Major Geeks 2, and as you can see, it's really easy. There's your drop down. It's one of the places where settings is so much better than Control Panel, for example. And you click OK, and you'll see the change. Just local account. All right, let's get out of there. Let's go to everything you can do in Windows 10, 8, and 7. Let's start with the Control Panel. So open your Control Panel. And typically, you'd have to switch from category view to large or small icons, but not in this case because user accounts are right here. And you can actually jump to change account type, but first, obviously, you probably have more than one account. Let's click on user accounts. Now you can see your account here that you're logged in on, but you don't see the other one. So let's click on Manage Another Account, and that gets us to where we can see all the accounts. So there is, for example, Major Geeks 2 is a local account, so I'll click on that. Now you want to go to change the account type. And as you can see, standard administrator. If this is blanked out or whatever, you're probably not logged as an administrator. So just choose whichever one you want, and once you change it, you'll see this highlights, and you click Change Account Type. That is it. All right, NetPlwiz. Let's press the Windows key plus R, or right-click right here on Start and do Run. Control V or type away and NetPlwiz. Press OK or hit Enter, and now you're in user accounts. As you can see, it's not really any different than what you just saw in Control Panel once we get moving. So it's similar. How's that? So let's pick an account. As you can see, I can't click anything. It's grayed out. Check this box here first, and you will see everything is now clickable and modified. Now, modifiable? Yeah, whatever. Major Geeks 2, we'll start with that. Let's click on Property. He's a guest. Click over here on this tab that says Group Membership. And once again, choose whichever one you want. And once you're done, click OK. Pretty easy. All right, so that's probably my 3 favorite ways to do it. There may come time where you're not getting things working right. You may need to do it from the command prompt or PowerShell. So we're going to do that now. And it's probably the least friendly way, and the command prompt usually is, but we'll do it real quick. Note these 2 things here, and I'll put a link to this tutorial in the video if you'd like to get some of this code, or with a little eye up here. So let's take a look at who our users are. I'm going to highlight this. I'm going to open PowerShell or the command prompt as admin, and let's know who our users are and what their status is. So you have local groups, that's your local users. Now keep in mind, there used to be guests, but guest accounts are no longer around. They're the same as your local group or standard users. So now we know Major Geeks and Major Geeks 2 are local users. Let's see who the admins are. And as you can see, Major Geeks and Tim are the administrator accounts. So now we want to make some changes. It's not too tough. Here's the thing you need to know right here. Local group, users, local group, administrators. Always use the quotes because, as you can see, like a username like Major Geeks 2, the quotes make sure that Windows knows that that's one word. Otherwise, you'll get an error. So let's say, once again, we have Major Geeks 2. So I'm going to move Major Geeks 2. I'm going to make him an administrator. So again, if I want to go administrator standard, I would use this. But we're not. We're going to change standard to an administrator. So we can copy that right there. That way we can paste that in. Now we know space, username, with the brackets, / add. And the big difference is, of course, users, administrators. So let's do / add. You should see the command completed successfully. If you don't, check your typing. And now what we're going to do is, let's see who the administrators are to see if we got it right. And make sure that Major Geeks 2 is in there. And there it is, right there. There's a couple other things you can do because the command prompt is so powerful. I'm not going to get too far into it, but for example, you can remove accounts and you can actually delete. So if I went in and used delete, right here, for example, if I deleted an administrator using this code right here, that would just drop them right down to a standard user. So there's a couple ways you can do it, but in my opinion, this is the easiest way to go back and forth from the accounts. So there you have it. There is 4 different ways to change a user account type from standard to administrator or administrator to standard. Really simple to do. Easier than it used to be back in the day, believe me. All right, bottom right-hand corner, Major Geeks logo. We thank you for watching as always. See ya.